Capstone Project, Automation for Mortensen. Mortenson is a top engineering company with an electrical engineering division, which focuses on assembling energy-efficient substations. In their process, intricate electrical diagrams are meticulously crafted to construct these substations. However, a significant bottleneck arises during the transformation of these diagrams into manufacturing instructions. The data transfer involves teams of both seasoned and junior engineers dedicating months to manually transfer data. Mortensen sought assistance in automating this data transfer process, envisioning substantial time saving in the redirection of talent in their company to more impactful projects for society. Our team collaborated with Mortensen during our capstone project, initiating meticulous planning to ensure project success. Moreover, we developed a program document to help realize more of the program structure, considering various design and architecture elements, factors such as class structure, algorithms, and error mitigation strategies. On average, a Mortensen project contains 300 documents with various levels, the most critical being their 300 and 400 series. The 300 series shows the DC schematic, which displays all the different wiring from internal to the panel or external. Various diagrams show different devices on the panel, the outputs of the different devices from the panel, and inputs coming from other panels to this current panel. Next is their 400 series, called the wire diagram, which is the build instructions that move from the DC schematic to this diagram, telling how all the different wires are connected to different components. This is where our team documented the process Mortensen team goes through when extracting the data from the DC schematic and transferring it over to the wired diagram, illustrating all the different components and all the special interactions they have with one another that affects how the data is placed inside the wire diagram, allowing people who are unfamiliar with Mortensen's domain in electrical engineering to gain valuable insight into the considerations needed to further automate their tedious processes. Finally, we created a design and architecture document. As the process is sequential, it is critical that all the design choices are made before implementation, as each development part of the program depends on the previous to execute its task. This includes critical components like a file reader that is able to interface with the AutoCAD environment, data extractor to obtain critical information from the file, and a graph constructor to figure out the relationships of various components so that important information can be sorted out to the proper area before transferring it back into the wire diagram. We also noted some human tendencies to misrepresent some things that will need to be considered in the program. This is the Mortensen Capstone project, and I hope to see you at our booth for more information.